Hey everyone, so I decided to do a quick demo on how I manage my ad. So this is one of the store that we're doing is the new store for the cat store, and we are already testing like the product 48. Okay, so I want to show you what's my daily routine. Usually what I edit when I edit my ad will be at around 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. This 3 hours will be really good because you're going to get enough data because the day is ending right now, so you know the budget is already spent at nearly like 99%. So you gotta know the result of it. And ad account also usually refresh. You can say refresh, I mean like reset at midnight. So this is what we're gonna do. As you can see, we have tons of product here. So first what I want to do, I will only show you the active one. So the first step I do in my ad account, I will go to campaign delivery, I click active. They're going to see the product here. Look at this one. The product catalog campaign is doing pretty nice. We are getting like 6x ROI here. $89 spent and we get return of $500. And then we have the one of the old winning products. This British product 40 is a t-shirt. It's dying right now. You can see it's dying right now. It's dying pretty quick as well. And product 47 is a winner right now. And product 48 can be a potential winner. So we are going to let it run for a few days, see how it goes. You can see yesterday we got an order of $197. We get like 6 hours for this product. So the first step is I will go to the campaign one by one. I mean the product one by one. So we know 47 is the winner. So sure, we're gonna scale the winner because based on the theory of our 2080 rules, 80% of the result is generated by 20% of the work you input, which is the most important one. In that case, your winning product is the one you scale first. This is the one winning right now. You scale up really fast. All right. So you can see the first one. The first campaign is on April 29th and is dying. Because one of the reasons why it's dying is because of the other campaign is scaling up. Okay, the other one is scaling up. That's why this one is dying. It's pretty standard because they're trying. Maybe there's overlapping in terms of audience and. Usually a campaign will die 2 to 3 weeks if you're not touching it. In this case, it's already 2 weeks. So if I'm not touching it, it's dying, it's pretty normal. And you can see these two assets is already having a very low ROI. That's why I pause it and I keep this one here. This one is still doing good. What I will usually do, I will duplicate this one. Okay, I duplicate 2 times. I duplicate 2 times and keep everything the same. And then I just click publish. Okay, as simple as it is. I want to make sure that I have at least 3 assets inside and see how it's working. So this first step, done. And I go to another one. So this one is the PPE CBO because I want to drive more like and comment to that post. So that's why I keep it here. So around $10 per day. And this is the ABO. The ABO is doing amazing. ABO is doing amazing. You can see it's 2.6x average in the ROI. You can see yesterday, actually, we're doing 3.5 as well. Got 20 orders in one day with this campaign. And look at it. This $50 budget, we're getting like 4 sales. Okay, 4 sales and 4.5x ROI. Right, so that's pretty good. Oh, before I start, I should always let you know that when we look at when you try to analyze the ad, we always look for last 7 days, and then we look for last 7 days plus 1 day ahead. This is already past midnight. So that's what you should do is 6 to 13 if you're on 13. So this is like 8 days. But now this is already 14. On 14, maybe we already have 1 order. Let me see. Yeah, I will already have 1 order. So I will do it like that, 6 to 14. So if you're on still the day, then we'll do 6 to 13, so 8 days. But it's already past midnight, then we'll do 6 to 14. That means 9 days. Okay, so back to here. So the ABO is doing amazing. And let me see any schedule ad yet. So I prefer you guys add a column called start, so you know what any schedule assets going to launch. Okay, and you can see when we're doing 2x, 3x, we're doing 2x, 3x, we already have some products already reached scale number 3, which is from $50 budget to $100 budget. So we will see how it goes. You're gonna start right now, which is 14 today. And for those, some of them is not doing good. So that's why here you can see all the one that I turn off, all these things. The first thing I do when I inside campaign, which has a lot of assets, I will click this one. I will go to asset delivery. I will also show it's active first. So I only look at the active one. And then we sort by ROI. I will sort by ROI. I will know, see which one is dying. So Cat Lady, this one is dying. And it's just one order, 1.66. Compared to all the other 2.2x or whatever, so this is not a good one. In that case, I will just pause it. Just pause it. Because I have also other Cat Lady asset here. See, Cat Lady is getting really, really huge. That's why for the low budget one, I will just pause it. If the ROI is dropping below the break-even ROI. And the second thing I will do, I will filter those. See, so this is the one that got sales. The first step, turn off the one that have low ROI. And then the second step, go for the one that's active but have no sales. And then we select those, and then click here, filter by selection. And we only show you this one. I will sort by amount spent and see these two. These two spend at $9. Okay, we got two add to cart and one initial checkout, so I will keep this one. So this one only have $9 spent, but no add to cart and initial checkout. That means it's not a good one, so I will pause it. I would like to see when an asset spend around $10, it can give me at least 2 to 3 in total add to cart or initial checkout. That means this asset is having good enough volume. I mean, it's optimized pretty good, so I will keep it. Okay, and then I will just go back here. Done. I will close this one. Okay, they're gonna see all the active one. Again, sort by ROI. That's what I will do. And then let me see. Yeah, I should sort by purchase. Sort by purchase, so you know any asset already have 3 sales. And then for those that have 3 sales and 3x ROIs, I will do something called 2x, 3x. That means I will duplicate 3 times and double the budget. So that's what you can see it. Scale 1. Okay, because the Cat Lady, the previous one, will give me 3 sales and 3x ROIs. Okay, and that's why I duplicate 3 times and scale the budget to $20. And it's also working for this one. That's why I scale to scale 2. It's $50 and do it even better. The same for Kitten. And because earlier today, I already scale up to a bigger number. So for 20, I will do it to 50. It's already scaled through 2. And because this afternoon, I already added this campaign already. So that's why I already duplicated the $50 one into the $100 one, which is scale number 3. So that's what I'm doing right now in this ABO campaign. Right? So basically nothing I need to do, because these are the assets that have sales is all just Cat Lady and Kitten and Cat. So there's not new interest here. That's why I'll back to here first. For those that Cat Ladies, Kitten, and Cat, these 3 are the winning interests that's doing amazing numbers. That's why I duplicate it into what we call a CBO scale up. Inside here, you can see that I put Cat, Kitten, and Cat Lady inside the CBO. The same here. This is the same campaign. And I started with $30, and I start launching it in May 7. And they're giving me amazing result. That's why I just keep it running. I don't need to touch anything. And because they're all giving me amazing results, that's why I scale it up to $100 here. Yeah, $100 here. I think it started like yesterday. I also duplicate 3 times. Okay, duplicate 3 times. So 3 times at $100. But I schedule it in 3 different days so that they will not compete with each other that strong on the same day. So that's why the first one is doing amazing. The second campaign is already launched on May 14th, which is today. So I will see how it goes. So this is what we call a horizontal scale based on duplicating. So we duplicate it using ABO. And then if it gives me amazing results, we duplicate it using CBO with the 3 winning interests. And because we want to have more and more new interests to know anything we can do, right? That's why I create another campaign called CBO 30. That's because inside I have 30 assets, but actually I have 33. I should put it 33. And in that case, actually I just put like 30 inches randomly. It belongs to Cat. Anything Cat related, I just put it there. And you can see, I put a $100 budget here. And you can see here, we have already, in this 33 inches, actually we have 11 of them got sales. And this one already give me 4 sales. So this is a winner. No doubt, this is a winner. It only spent just $5 and give me 4 purchase. This is what we call a huge winner. Wildcat as well. Okay, 15, 2 orders. In the CBO 30 or 33, what we do is I'm looking for winning inches. Okay, winning inches. That means any inches that is potential that people are going to buy. And it's working, I will move to ABO. And then I'll scale it up individually. I will start with the same, maybe $5 or even $10 per day for the asset. But so you see, this one is good. It's 4 purchase. That's why I may start it directly at $20 and see how it goes. This is to show me good results. For those that only have 1 sales, I will let it run for a few more days to see whether this is scalable. If not, just one single purchase may not be a huge winner in terms of inches. Okay, and then the same thing here. I will go here. Asset level or asset delivery is active. Select those that have no purchase. Filter by selection. So some of you may ask, how can I select the asset? Just click this one, click the shift button, and then go to here. You're gonna select all this, right? Amount spent. So by amount spent, see this one, spent $18, $13, no sales. Basically, I will pause it. Okay, I may like the little box, no good. Anything have spent like around $20, no sales, that's not a good one. I will pause it. Little pet food have 4 initial checkout. Link clicks a little bit expensive compared to the others. 14 and yes, the CTR is not that high. It's just 2.6. So how can I know the CTR is not high? Just look at the average. The average is 4.8, and this is just 2.6. That means not good. Or you can look at those that already give you sales. Okay, sort by purchase. Highlight those that have purchased. Filter by selection. Scroll to the right, you're gonna see. So those that is a winner have 3.55 CTR. And the average cost per link click is actually just 0.93. So you know, 0.93 is the average. 3.55 is the average. So anything below this one, that may not be a winner. But that's also some exceptional case. For example, this one, $2 per link click, but I got a purchase. So this is some exceptional case. Okay, but back to here. Sort by purchase. The one that have no order, select them. Filter by selection. Sort by amount spent and see which one need to pause. So this one, $13 for add to cart. Maybe I will let it run for 1 more day and see how it goes. For this $9, $8, no purchase, no add to cart. Maybe I should pause it. I will see. Okay, for just $9, I will keep it run for a few more days. And let me see. Also, you can sort by link click and see which one is really expensive. So this one is quite expensive, but it get add to cart. So I'll just keep it there. All right, so that's how we play with the CBO 33 or CBO 30. You let it run, it's profitable, then you keep the other asset running as well. Slowly, you're gonna find which one is a big winner. Definitely right now, big cat. So this are the big winner. The so-called potential winner. And the big cat is crazily big. So that's why I'm gonna scale for the big cat. And at the same time, we also started the retargeting campaign. It's not doing pretty good because I think it just restarted like 2 to 3 days ago. It's still running, collecting data. We start the one with VZ, initiate, and to cart. So the real content get the most purchase first. So I will keep it run. It's still a low, it's still at the early stage. Okay, this product just giving us like 20 to 30 orders per day, so it's not huge. All right, so since Big Cat is a big winner, I already have a campaign based on all the CBO 33. I put it here actually. See, ABO 33. Okay, go inside, you're gonna see all the assets. So as you know, the Big Cat one is doing good. So I may just publish this one first. Let me start with $5. Oh, let me think. Because we are already making money. Let's do this. Instead of launching it one by one, basically this is a huge winner. I may prefer launching them all together. Okay, so that's 33 of them. Usually I prefer launching 5 inches per day, 5 inches per day. So that means here I can launch for 6 days of inches. So I will just go ahead and click edit. Here, schedule to 14. This is just today. And then double check it's automatic placement, nothing need to change. Let me see, Grumpy Cat. Yeah, remove this one. You always need to remove the targeting expansion. Okay, always remove it. Because even though I launch like 6 of them a day, they are just spending me like $30 per day. Right? I can easily make back all the money with my profit. Because right now for this product, we are doing around 3x ROI. Yesterday we ended the day with like 2.3K. So with 2.3K, 3x ROI, basically we are making a profit of around, I guess, $600 to $700. $600 to $700, and this is pretty good. Based on the ROI, this is still early stage. We still never see any competitor doing this yet. So I may hit a jackpot by scaling up really fast, so that I can eat up all the market. My target is to scale this product into 5K day in the next few days. So I need to do it quick. So see, these are the winner. These are the ABO 30. So I already removed all the expanded inches. So all I need to do is just select 6 of them. So big cat, this one is doing good. So this 6 of them, I will launch it on 14. Okay, let's do 5 of them on 14. And then we'll select the next 5. Click edit. Just change the date to 50. Okay, and then the other one. Another 5 of them. Change to 60. Okay, another 5 of them. Change to 17. So it's pretty easy. Some may ask, hey, Yik, do I need to manage my ad every single day? Actually, I don't need to do it every single day because I've already scheduling the campaign for at least 2 to 3 days ahead. So I can make sure that on some of the day, maybe my computer have issues, or some of the day I don't have time to look at my ad. There will still be new campaign launching. So you can see now already schedule it. 3 on 20, 19, 18, done. As simple as it is. So I just click this one, edit, and then publish. Done. For this product scale up, done. Okay, the next things, the same things, campaign delivery active. This 47 is already done. Right, 47 is already done, right? So I will go ahead here and then do not contain 47. So these are the ones that do not contain 47. So at 48 right now is still at early stage. I will see how it goes. And then we have the collection, which is a weekly collection. We launched like 10 product. Okay, 10 product here. We see like we look at it first. This one got sales. So this week got sales. So $50. This two $50. Let me see. No order. Nope, I don't like it. I will just pause it. So that's what I do. After 3 days of launching a collection campaign, weekly campaign. This is what we call weekly campaign. So far, 4 asset got sales. Okay, because it's a collection campaign. So a collection campaign, which means with 10 products inside, with carousel and all these things. So this is pretty special. So that's why in that case, but however, it's still profitable. Okay. And why we do this, I think, so KLF is doing good. This two is doing good. I may just do a 5x duplicate first for all these things. Select them, duplicate them 5 times. Duplicate 5 times. I want to make sure that they can give me consistent result first before I do the crazy stuff, before I keep testing a lot of new inches. So I will change this to 5x, so it was 5x. So $5, keep everything the same, to change anything. Just remember to remove this one. Remove this one. Just remove this first. So I really hate the new updates of Facebook that they will automatically help you to pre-select the expanding targeting. and which is not good, which is really, really not good. We don't want it. I want it to only target cat, cat lover, and black cat. So that's what I want. That's why I will remove this, move this, move this, and remove this. And you can see, since for this one, I'm targeting all gender. So because here I have like 6 of them, maybe I can play something a little bit special, So for the first, let me change the schedule dates first. All right, for this one, so we have 3 assets, right? I guess it's 3 of them. Yeah, 4 of them. We have 4 of them. So in total, there's like 20 of them. Yeah, 20 of them. So we have 5, 20. So black cat, cat lover, and cat lady will be batch 1. Okay, we'll batch 1. Then I will launch it today. So I will edit a little bit. So this is called 5x. 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 Save the draft so again I know it's 5x, and then the date is today, and in that case I will go for all gender. It will be the same as the original campaign, right? And then for the next one, next batch, cat lover, cat, black cat, and cat lady. 5x, 5x, 5x. But this time I may only do female only and see any difference. So I put an F here. Save the draft. Movements. Right? And then another batch. Cat, cat ladies, cat lovers, black cat, and cat ladies. So this is batch 3. Batch 3. Okay. Batch 3, maybe in this case, I will do 2 for female only. 2 for female only. So also 5x. F. Same things, F. In this case, I will launch it on 15. On the 15. The same for the previous batch, actually. And let's do it on 16 for this one. We want to schedule it on different dates. Yeah, for this batch, maybe on the 15. Okay, done. And then another batch. The remaining batch, I will do it for male only. No, I think male is not a buyer. Based on our products, female is always the buyer, male is not the buyer. So in that case, maybe I will just keep one is male only. One is male only, just one. This one is male only. So for the other one, I will keep it just original. For the male only, because there will be no overlapping. That's why I will schedule it on 15. This one is female, one is male. This one I will do it all. So this will be 16. I want to see consistency in this campaign first before I don't go so crazy in terms of launching it or scaling up. Because I have one winner already. I don't want to mess up with the optimization. So just publish it and let it do all the work. That got back here. So this one done. This is called K collections. So 91. It contains Q 91. So 91. And then we'll just click do not contain. So it show me a 48. 48 because it's still new. I think I can get more purchase from here because this one give me a huge order. So later on, this is a very expensive item. Item can be, I think this costs like $80 for selling price. So I think for 1 more day. So I don't want to see 48. So I also exclude 48. And now you're going to see 40. So 40 is a dying campaign. Definitely a dying product. Because we started it like April 16, nearly 1 month. A product will die in 1 month. Go inside here, you're gonna see we test like tons and tons of stuff. right? Only some of them got sales. We're using a super low budget of $1 per day. And let me see the active assets. Yeah, so this was not good. Let me go for lifetime. It's dying. Last 7 days. I will just keep it. I'll just keep it. Oh, yesterday results. Yesterday, no order. 12. One order. Still good, still good. I will just keep it. And then the ABOC. So basically what we do for this one is we move the winner from here and we put it to here. And so far, dying, really, just dying, just pause it, no point, keep it, just dying, just this one is good. Right, that's why I duplicate 2 times yesterday and see whether it can optimize here. And so far, not that good. I will just keep it. For 1 more day or 2 more days, I will just pause it. This is not going pretty good for this product. Right? So basically, this is what I'm doing when I'm managing my campaign. Done. End of the day. I scale a lot, not a lot, around 10 to 20% per day, but consistent every single day. Right? So that's it for this video on how I do my daily routine, on how to check the products and how I scale it up. Okay, so see you guys later.